So it looks like the city could have a new lead attorney. The New York Times is reporting that they're in the process of hiring Randy Mastro, the former deputy mayor under Rudy Giuliani.
So he has a lengthy resume that includes representing Chris Christie in the Bridgegate scandal case. Fox 5's Morgan McKay joins us now with more on his background and what this hire could mean for the city. Morgan.
Bianca, Natasha, Randy Mastro is a very well-known, tough litigator. But what does this mean? Well, it's likely not good news for the Adams administration, which is facing a long list of legal challenges.
Nobody is hiring a bulldog lawyer because things are going swimmingly.
Known as a fierce and aggressive lawyer, Randy Mastro is set to be appointed as the city's next top lawyer, according to the New York Times and the Daily News. Mastro is a former federal prosecutor who also served as a chief of staff and deputy mayor to former mayor Rudy Giuliani. He would replace Sylvia Hines-Radix, who is reportedly going to leave the administration after serving in this spot for nearly 2.5 years. In a statement, a spokesperson for the mayor said, quote, "No appointment is confirmed until and if it's announced."
If they felt optimistic about this situation or the many situations, they wouldn't need this shakeup.
As political analyst Sam Raskin explains, there is no shortage of legal challenges facing both Mayor Eric Adams and the city. If Mastro is appointed, he will be representing Adams in a sexual assault lawsuit accusing him of assaulting a colleague in 1993. Adams is also facing a federal investigation examining his campaign's ties to the Turkish government and flight upgrades Adams received from Turkish Airlines. On top of that, the city's legal department is representing the Adams administration in a lawsuit against Texas bus companies for bringing migrants to New York from the southern border. Political analyst Hank Scheinkopf agrees that you don't bring in someone like Mastro unless you are preparing for a tough legal fight.
If you have a real battle, you bring in a guy who knows how to use boxing gloves well and knows how to do an uppercut and a jab and all the rest of it. Mastro knows how to do all that, and the mayor needs him.
However, since his time in public service, Mastro has spent much of his time representing Republican interests. He represented New Jersey Governor Chris Christie in the 2014 Bridgegate scandal. He represented the company that operates Madison Square Garden. He also represented a group of landlords who sought to weaken the city's rent stabilization laws. And currently, Mastro is representing New Jersey in its lawsuit over New York's congestion pricing plan.
Mastro just happens to be in the right place. It's a smart move. There are some who won't like it, probably because of party registration.
And that is exactly one uphill battle Mastro is going to have to face. Now, once appointed, Mastro will still need to be approved by the city council, and some progressives are already saying they will vote against him. Bianca, Natasha.
All right, Morgan, thank you.